Today, I'm going to show you how to connect Discord to N8N so you can automate server tasks and integrate it into your workflows. Start by navigating to the Credentials section in your N8N dashboard. Credentials are the keys that let N8N securely access your Discord account. Click on Create New and select Discord from the list. Next, enter your bot token. This token comes from the Discord developer portal and allows N8N to interact with your server. Make sure it's entered correctly, as it's essential for authentication. Once the bot token is in place, save your credentials. After saving, your Discord credentials will appear in your list, ready to use in any workflow. Test the connection by setting up a simple workflow to ensure everything runs smoothly. With this setup, you can automate messages, manage tasks, and enhance your productivity on Discord.